Hi, this is Jeff from Ericson here today to tell you about our Perma-Kleen family of antimicrobial wiring devices and cable. These are the same form factor as our industry-leading Perma-Tite 2 super heavy-duty watertight wiring devices, but with an antimicrobial agent molded into the plastic. That's right, it's molded through and through the plastic, and it's not just a sprayed-on coating that will eventually wear off. We partnered with the leading national additive supplier to develop a customized plastic additive that would yield excellent antimicrobial properties and yet still pass the stringent electrical materials testing requirements of Underwriters Labs and the Canadian Standards Association. We also tested the Perma-Kleen products at an independent outside biological lab for performance against a wide variety of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria, including E. coli, Staph aureus, Listeria, and Salmonella. Perma-Kleen products reduced the living surface bacteria by 99.97% or more 24 hours after inoculation with the test broth solution. Perma-Kleen wiring devices are ROHS compliant, UL listed, CSA certified, and also NSF certified, which makes them ideal for use in the food and beverage industry, for use in food prep areas, and on OEM food processing equipment. Perma-Kleen devices are available in all standard blade configurations and a lot of uncommon ones as well. In fact, we offer it in 25 different EMA configurations from 15 amp 120 volt through 30 amp 600 volt. So there is a Perma-Kleen plug for your application no matter what it is. To find out more or to get a spec sheet, visit us at Ericson.com or check us out on YouTube at Ericson MFG. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.